See, from the beginning, once more, I am telling you a complex number is the combination of real plus imaginary part. It is plus minus, not only plus, it could be minus also. But algebraic sum is plus, we are saying. Algebraic sum is addition only. Subtraction is a special type of addition only. Z can be written as Z is the symbol for the complex number. It is the representation in the form of A plus IB, where A is known as the real part of the complex number. A is known as the real part of the complex number, and B is known as the imaginary part of the complex number. A is known as the real part of the combination and B is known as the imaginary part of the complex number. Now in this I am writing I. So what is I? I is known as iota. I stands for iota. Its value is negative times of square root of unity. Its value is negative times of square root of unity. Then we are going for the next thing. As I've told you, I is negative times of square root of unity. If we will square both the sides, I square will be minus 1. The value of I square will be minus 1. If I am talking about I cube, it will be I square into I. And we know that I square value is minus 1. Minus 1 into I will be minus I. So value of I cube will be, the value of I cube will be minus I. Now, if we need to go for I4, so think I4 will be I square into I square. I square value is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be minus into minus plus. Now, these four are the most important things which we must be knowing. Using them, we can calculate any of the value, like I to power 5 I have calculated. This could be written as I to power 4 plus 1. That is 5 only. And in multiplication, powers get added. So I could write it I to power 4 into I to power 1. I to power 4 can be written as 1 and I is I. So I to power 5 can be written as I. Don't put the value of I in any of the question. I key value we will not put in any of the question. Next thing, now these powers may rise. I to power 15, I could write I to power 14 plus 1, I to power 14 into I, because multiply में powers get added. This is I to power 2 to the power 7. I to power 2 has got value minus 1. So it becomes minus 1 to power 7. That is minus 1 into I, minus I. If I want to write this into the complex form, it will become 0 minus I. Likewise, I to power 19 also can be calculated. I to power 19 ko what I am writing, I to power 19, I multiply, I divide. It becomes multiply में powers get added, I to power 20 upon I. I to power 20 can be written as I to power 4 to whole power 5 upon I. Now I to power 4 is 1. The value of I to power 4 is 1 upon I. I cannot be left in the denominator. I cannot be left in the denominator. So I से multiply, I से divide. As we were doing in class 9th, अगर root 2 आ जाता था नीचे तो we were multiplying and dividing by root 2. So it becomes I upon I square and the value of I square is minus 1. So it becomes minus I. I could write 0 minus I. ऐसे ही हम हायर पावर्स के लिए भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now next thing I was teaching you, Z could be written as A plus IB. If I am writing conjugate of Z, conjugate of Z is I के सामने का sign we need to change. Plus becomes minus. So two example I had given you. When Z is given 2 minus 3I, then it becomes 2 plus 3I. This is called as the conjugate of Z. If Z is given 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5I, then Z conjugate will become 2 by 3 minus 4 upon 5I. Now this will help us to understand a concept how to calculate the multiplicative inverse, like I का multiplicative inverse I need to calculate. I का multiplicative inverse I need to calculate. So what I'll do? I का multiplicative inverse is 1 upon I. जैसे 2 का multiplicative inverse was 1 upon 2. Multiplicative inverse is that number with which we will multiply and we get result as 1. I को किससे multiply करें? Answer 1 आएगा 1 upon I से. So I cannot be left in the denominator. So I multiply, I divide to the 1 upon I. This gives us I upon I square, and I square is minus 1. So I upon minus 1, that is minus I. So its multiplicative inverse is this. Its multiplicative inverse is this. Let me show you how it is multiplicative inverse. I into minus I will become minus I square. So it will become minus I square, value is minus 1. This is giving us 1. So I have told you complex number into its multiplicative inverse must give us value as I. Complex number into its multiplicative inverse must give us value I. One more question is given to us. 4 minus 3I. Its multiplicative inverse we need to calculate. So its multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon 4 minus 3I. Now I cannot be left in the denominator. जब I को नीचे छोड़ना ही नहीं है तो रेशनलाइज कर दो. रेशनलाइज करना मतलब कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लाई करना. 4 plus 3I upon 4 plus 3I. नीचे देखो a minus b, a plus b. What I could write? 4 plus 3I upon 4 square minus 3I2 whole square. It becomes 4 plus 3I upon 16 minus 9I square. And value of I square is minus 1. So it becomes 4 plus 3I upon 25, since I square is minus 1. So this is how to calculate the multiplicative inverse. I suppose you will be able to do the exercise first. If you will be getting any doubt, that we will be going to